Merhaba, salam alaikum, and welcome to today's video. As you probably already saw in the thumbnail, in today's video, I am going to show you a very simple, but delicious recipe for baking this hazelnut square cake, which is ideal for any occasion, and doesn't require any complicated ingredients. For now, let's get on with the video. Let's go. Firstly, start off with mixing the eggs with the sugar, and the vanilla sugar in a mixing bowl as shown. As soon as they're well combined, start adding in the sunflower oil, milk, and the other wet ingredients as well. Afterwards, to avoid the batter clumping up, sift in some of the flour with the other dry ingredients, and mix everything continuously with your hand mixer. Then add the rest of the flour, and slowly mix it in with a whisk as you can see here. By the way, the exact measurements for the recipe of this cake will appear throughout some point of the video. Now it's time to pour the cake batter into your baking pan, and to let it bake in the oven until golden brown. And this is how the cake should look like taken out of the oven. Now on to the decorating part. Here, as always, you can do whatever you want with the decorating. Whether it be adding some frosting on top, or a bunch of colored sprinkles, do as you'd like. As for this cake, I first off brushed some apricot jam, and a bit of coffee on top to soften it a bit. Then I took some hazelnut yogurt and spread it throughout the top of the cake, as seen here. Just for fun, I created a heart shape with some of the pink sprinkles in the middle, and covered the rest of the cake with some light and dark chocolate and crushed up hazelnut sprinkles. Optionally, you can put the cake in the freezer or fridge, so the yogurt hardens a bit. Now it's time to serve it on some plates. Small tip, the cake tastes even better with some vanilla ice cream on the side. And this is how everything should look like when it's all done. Hope you enjoy this tasty recipe. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed today's video and recipe, and even try to recreate it sometime. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and comment down below how you liked this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell while you're at it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.